All right, here we go. We have Solana, symbol SOL versus the dollar on Binance, being requested by Mr. Dan. We are going to do a general overview of this one as it is yet again hit our upside target of 140. So what I'd be expecting after this, maybe a bit of a short-term pullback, although the daily looks rather strong, especially coming into the weekend here. So momentum also is adjusting right now. Yeah, daily RSI is getting up there, and if we do start to put in a little bit of a high right here, which we have not just yet, we will have our first strike of bearish divergence, but even that is still very much unconfirmed. And realistically, what I'd be using here, or sorry, more importantly, what I'd be using here to judge the next sort of major high is going to be the volatility signature, of which we are right around 90 percentile right now. So I do think it could have maybe one more, spike up, but I would be on guard now for a little bit of a local high being put in after maybe one more move to the upside. Let's see what the short-term timeframes look like right now. Short-term timeframes say, fuck you, crown. We're going up, hitting bullish divergence off that last low right there. 2 new all-time highs. And again, even your 4-hour BBWP is just breaking into the 90s as well right now. So I expect that these are going to get a little bit deeper right there. Maybe go for one more run, and then I would be looking for a bit of weakness. Perhaps started off with some bearish divergence on 4-hour RSI, which we don't even have right now because this is not a confirmed local high as it is. Looking at the hourly, it is literally just stair-stepping its way up. This wants more from right now, and we can come up with some more prospective targets, I suppose, for the short term on this next continuation phase. You can see that nice little consolidation between the 414 and the 272 right there. That is good, and I expect that the next general target is going to be somewhere between about 145 to 150 or so, and then I'd be on guard for a bit of weakness right there. Let's check it out from our trending charts as well. See what we got going on over here. Let me pull it up. There we go. Let's get to our most recent times. Yeah, daily is actually freshly trended above the top side trailing band yet again for like the millionth time, as you can see. And what do we have going on? Well, that condition will be met as long as Sol is closing above about 134 today. So as long as that condition is met, I do look for probably somewhere around 150, a nice round, even psychological number before the next potential major pullback. But this is looking good. And daily MACD also increasing as well. So you got trend, volatility, momentum. PMAR is getting really extended over here, but it can definitely go for a little bit more. In fact, it can definitely go for a little bit more, but it's very, very close. I don't think that this one has too much more in it before the next sort of general turn down and consolidation a little bit lower. Not necessarily to call like a macro reversal. That would be very, very far away from its current trajectory, but I would be looking for a bit of sideways and down at the very least, as this thing has just been straight up nuke style. Absolutely powerful, man. And there you go. Now